In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to separate sections in WordPress 2025 in just a few minutes. Whether you're updating your blog, organizing long posts, or improving the layout of your business website, WordPress makes it extremely easy to break your content into clean, readable sections. Let's get started. First, head over to wordpress.com. This is your main dashboard for accessing and editing your website. Once you're on the homepage, click Log In. If you prefer convenience, you can choose Continue with Google, which lets you sign in using one of the Google accounts already connected to your device. Simply select the account associated with your WordPress site and you'll be logged in instantly. After signing in, look to the right side of your screen where you'll see a panel labeled Quick Links. Under this section, click Edit Site. This will take you directly into the WordPress site editor where you can customize pages, add new content, and modify your layout. Once you're inside the editor, it's time to add a new block. The core feature behind WordPress is flexible design tools. On the top left corner, you'll see a plus add block button. Click it to open a full list of blocks you can insert, from text and images to buttons, columns, and layout tools. In the search bar within this block menu, type separator. The separator block is designed specifically to divide sections of your content without creating an entirely separate page. When it appears in the list, click it to add it to your page. Instantly, you'll see a clean horizontal line appear between your sections. This simple line helps break up text-heavy areas, making your content more readable and visually organized. It guides your visitors' eyes, keeps related ideas grouped together, and makes your entire page flow more smoothly. You can also customize the separator style, such as choosing a wide line, dots, or a short divider, depending on the look you want for your site. Using separators effectively can dramatically improve user experience, especially on longer posts or service pages. It prevents information from blending together and helps highlight the most important details. Thanks to WordPress's updated design tools, adding and customizing separators is faster and easier than ever. And that's all there is to it. A simple, effective way to organize your content and create cleaner, more professional looking pages. By following these steps, you'll make your website more readable, more structured, and more enjoyable for your audience.